Hello, good day. Today I will show you how you can connect your domain and your GrooveSell checkout. So you can create now a custom subdomain to your checkout. So if you want to set up your subdomain on your GrooveSell, just follow this video. So I am now on the GrooveSell dashboard, GrooveFunnels dashboard rather. So you will need to click on this GrooveSell, or you can go to the apps and click this GrooveSell. Alright. So next thing, if you go to the GrooveSell dashboard, you will now click on the settings. Click settings and you can see this edit domains. So now it will go to your domain settings on Groove. So if you want to create a subdomain to your GrooveSell from your root domain, which is I have here, this one, what I will do is add a subdomain for GrooveSell. So this is our root domain, rapidcapsule.com. So if I want to set a subdomain, I will just set as a checkout that rapidcapsule.com. Check out that rapidcapsule.com, and which app would you like to use this URL for is for the group cell checkout or funnel. So that's how you set it up. And now you will go to like the host set for you. So you need to select no because your root domain is already connected to the Groove. So if you have completed this procedure, just click save, and then you will have this instruction here. So if you create a CNAME record for your domain for GrooveSell, use if you're using this is if you're using Cloudflare, so get.groovesell.com. So let's just grab this. Let's copy this one. If you're get dash redirect that GrooveSell if you are not using Cloudflare. So we have the Cloudflare built into the Groove domain settings. So if you are connected to your domain is connected to the Groove, you can use this pointing. But if not, you can use this get dash direct. Right. So for this video, we have set it to the Cloudflare, so we just need to get this code here. So let's go back to the domain list and let's go to our root domain, which we have the option to edit and add a record. So on the instruction, you need to add a record, and it is CNAME record. The name is for the checkout because it already point out to our domain, and the content will be the code that we have added. So let's paste this get.groovesell.com and let's just hit save. All right. So now we have this CNAME record, and let's just click enable to publish it and to be proxied by the domain. Once you have set it, just need to connect your checkout.rapidcapsule.com to your GrooveSell and you are good to go. And I hope this helps and have a great day.